Aloha mga pangga, welcome to my channel. Tonight I'm here at Kilauea Volcano located at southeastern of Big Island, Hawaii. Tonight I want to share the history of Kilauea Volcano. The Kilauea Volcano's most recent eruption began on December 20, 2020. Kilauea has active throughout history since 1918. Kilauea is still quite young for a Hawaiian volcano. Kilauea is one of the 5 survival volcanoes that make up the island of Hawaii created by the Hawaii hotspot. The oldest volcano on the island, Kohala, is more than 1,000,000 years old, and Kilauea, the youngest, is believed to be between 300 years and 600 years old. So Kilauea is an active volcano in the Hawaiian island. Kilauea is the most active of the 5 volcanoes that together form the Big Island of Hawaii. Kilauea is basaltic shield volcano erupting a type of basalt known as toilet. This type of lava is the dominant and intrusive during the shield building. The main stage of Hawaiian volcanism and is the dominant basalt type erupted on Earth. Only about 10% of Kilauea's surface consists of rock older than 1,000 years. The other 90% of the volcano's surface is covered by lava flows younger than 1,000 years, and about 20% of the flows are less than 200 years old. Kilauea volcanoes erupt in explosive and effusive cycles. Kilauea has a story of burning Hawaii's forests and few neighborhood to the ground. So Kilauea has been erupting continuously since 1983. It has more than 2 dozen craters. It's probably most active volcano. Hawaii Volcanoes National Park is one of the earliest established. So, Kilauea is an active shield volcano in the Hawaiian Islands. Historically, Kilauea is the most active of the 5 volcanoes that together form the Big Island of Hawaii, located along the southeastern shore of the island. The volcano is between 210,000 and 280,000 years old and emerged above sea level about 100 years ago. The volcano's most recent eruption began on December 20, 2020. It is the second youngest product of Hawaiian spot and the current eruptive center of the Hawaiian Emperor Seaman chain. Because it lacks topographic prominence and its activities historically coincident with those of Mauna Loa, Kilauea was once thought to be a satellite of its much larger neighbor. Structurally, Kilauea has a large fairly recently formed caldera at its summit and 2 active reef zones, one extending 125 kilometers 78 miles east and the other zones, one extending 125 kilometers 78 miles east and the other 35 kilometers 22 miles west, as an active fault of unknown depth, moving vertically an average of 2 to 2 mm, 0.1 to 0.8 and per year. Kilauea erupted nearly continuously from 1983 to 2018, causing considerable property damage, including the destruction of the towns of Kalapana and Kaimo, along with the renowned Black Sand Beach. In 1990, during the 2018 Lower Puna eruption, 2 dozen lava vents erupted downrift from the summit in Puna. The eruption was accompanied by a strong earthquake on May 4 of MW 6.9 and nearly 2,000 residents were evacuated. So thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell. Mahalo!